So hydration is important throughout the year, but a lot of people tend to hydrate more during the summer months. It's hot, it's sunny, we sweat a lot, we feel like we need to replace the fluids, which is why we drink more. Now this doesn't change when it comes to the winter months, unfortunately, but people tend to think because it's not as sunny, they're not sweating as much, they don't need to hydrate as much. So that's one of the reasons that we need to emphasise that it's important to hydrate during the winter months also. Some of the telltale signs of being dehydrated can be the feeling of thirst, so being thirsty, suffering from dark yellow or strong smelling urine, feeling dizzy, lightheaded, or suffering from a headache, feeling fatigued or tired, or something as simple as dry mouth or dry skin. These are all signs that you may potentially be dehydrated. The types of foods that can cause dehydration include salty snacks, sugary snacks, protein-rich foods, fried foods, and alcohol.